Hello guys. So today our topic is good questions, smart question, nice questions, previous year's questions, anything of max minima. So we will discuss the different types of questions. So in this series of max minima, we are taking this question: two sides of a triangle having length A and B, and the angle between them is theta. So what will be the value of theta at which the area of this triangle is maximum? So this is our scenario of this question. So according to this, we have two sides A, B, and the angle between them is theta. And according to the concept of trigo, we know this area of triangle in terms of two sides and the angle including them between them is half the product of two sides with sine of angle between them. So it is AB sine theta, means the area is half AB sine theta. So we want to collect the value of theta at which area is maximum. So for getting the expression for maximum area, always we use a second derivative test. So as the tradition, we will use second derivative test. So we will get first derivative with respect to theta, it will be half AB cos theta, and when we place it 0, so it is half AB cos theta is 0. It means cos theta is 0 and cos theta equals to 0 is cos pi by 2. So theta is pi by 2. Now we have area expression, that is half AB sine theta. We have first derivative, dA over d theta is half AB cos theta. On putting it 0, we collect the value theta is pi by 2. Now we go for second derivative. So we will differentiate again dA over d theta square. So we get half AB minus sine theta. So it is minus half AB sine theta. So on putting the value of theta in second derivative expression, theta is pi by 2. So sine pi by 2, and this sine pi by 2 value of this is 1. So we get minus half AB, or you can say negative. So the second derivative d2a over d theta square is negative or less than 0. This indicates area of triangle is maximum. And what will be the area? Area expression is this, and we have the value theta is this. So we put this half AB sine pi by 2. So A is half AB. So we have a new question. Prove that the volume of largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere is 8 over 27 of the volume of the sphere. So we have a sphere, this one, and we draw a cone ABC, and the radius of circle is r, and this form theta angle with OD. So r be the radius of a sphere, and we want the largest cone. The volume of cone should be largest. So it is our proving condition. Given is radius, and we want to show V cone, yani means volume of cone equals to 8 over 27 times of the volume of sphere. So total sphere is this, and the volume of cone is 8 over 27 only, right? So r is the radius of a sphere, and we are taking this triangle OCD, this triangle. So according to this triangle, when we take cos theta equals to, that is base over hypotenuse, so CD over OC, and OA, OB, OC are radius. So if it is radius, when we put this value r, so CD equals to r cos theta, and CD is the radius of this cone. So let us consider the radius of cone is r, so small r equals to r cos theta. So first we have one parameter of cone, that is its radius. Now we go for sin theta. So sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse, so OD over OC, again OC is r, so OD is r sin theta. OD is this part, and we have to collect the height of cone, so AD. So according to this height AD, we have to collect AD is OA plus OD. So we will add OA and OD. So it is R, this OA is R plus R sin theta. So height of cone is R into 1 plus sin theta. Clear? So again we have both parameters of volume of cone. So it is first parameter radius of cone, and second is height of cone, and the volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So when we use these values in this expression, so it is 1 over 3 pi r square, so r square cos square theta, and this. On simplification we get 1 over 3 pi r cube cos square theta 1 plus sin theta. So this is the volume expression. We will apply second derivative test on it. So we collect the first derivative of volume, it is 1 over 3 pi r cube, and we use the product formula here. So it is 2 cos theta into minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta as it is, plus cos square theta right now as it is, and 1 plus sin theta differentiation is 0 plus cos theta, means 1 over 3 pi r cube, and it is minus 2 sin theta cos theta, or you can say we can take cos theta as common. So cos theta on taking common, it will be minus 2 sin theta and minus 2 sin square theta, and there is cos square theta. So we have 1 over 3 pi r cube cos theta into, we can place the value of cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. So on simplifying this we get minus 2 sin theta plus 1 and minus 3 sin square theta. means 1 over 3 pi r cube cos theta into 1 minus 2 sin theta minus 3 sin square theta. It is dv over d theta. Now we put first derivative. Dv over d theta is 1 over 3 pi r cube cos theta 1 minus 2 sin theta minus 3 sin square theta equals to 0. So solve this. So first is cos theta is 0, means theta is pi by 2, which is rejected, otherwise cone can't be formed. And second, this expression, so it is 1 minus 2 sin theta minus 3 sin square theta equals to 0. So on factorization we get 1 minus sin theta minus 3 sin theta minus 3 sin square theta. So on taking common, 1 plus sin theta, and there is minus 3 sin theta. So we have right now 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus 3 sin theta, and these produce the values minus 1 and sin theta is 1 by 3. And according to this will be theta is 3 pi by 2. Again this can't be possible, so we reject this, and it means sin theta is 1 by 3 is our requirement. Now we go for second derivative, d2v over d theta square. So it is 1 over 3 pi r cube minus sin theta and 1 minus 2 sin theta minus 3 sin square theta plus cos theta into 0 minus 2 cos theta minus 3 into 2 sin theta cos theta. So all are negative terms and the value of sin is positive. So when you simplify this, then you get negative. So d2v over d theta square, the second derivative of the volume expression is negative, and this indicates the volume of cone is largest. Now according to question, we have to show the volume of cone is 8 over 27 times of volume of sphere. So for proving this, first we take V volume expression, that is 1 over 3 pi r cube cos square theta into 1 plus sin theta, and we have the value sin theta is 1 by 3. So cos theta will be under root 1 minus sin square theta. So on putting this value, under root 1 minus 1 over 9. So you get 8 over 9, under root 8 over 9 means 2 root 2 over 3. So this is the value of cos theta. So cos theta is 2 root 2 by 3 and sin theta is 1 by 3. So put these values in volume expression. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r cube cos square theta means 8 by 9, and 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus 1 by 3. So it is 1 over 3 pi r cube, 8 by 9, and this is 4 by 3. So we can collect 8 and this is 27. We can extract this 8 over 27. This is 8 and this is 27. So we will collect this, and remaining part is 4 by 3 pi r cube. You know, this is the volume of sphere, so it is volume of cone, and this is the volume of a sphere. So V cone is 8 by 27 times of volume of a sphere. So hence proved. So this is our required desired result.